Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you what we want to export. Okay, so this is fish. This is dry pala fish. You see as it dry, so we still need to put it inside oven to dry more. So these are other products we are sending to abroad. So if you have interest in this our panla fish, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Okay, so we want to add this one, put it inside oven for it to dry very well. So you see, we have some vegetables, ugu, water leaf, and bitter leaf, green vegetable, green leaf. So we are going to turn off the gas. For 40 minutes. So this is millet powder. Guava leaf powder. If you have interest, contact us. So this is a soursop leaf powder. Locust beans. Original honey. So I want to pack it for the scent leaf, aviary. This is dry ugu. Bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf. So this one is for one person with honey. Amala. This is amala brown, amala kokoro, yam powder. This is corn, fermented corn powder. If you have interest, contact us. Cocoyam powder. Scent leaf. One ugu. This is dry water leaf. So this millet, we blended it with millet leaf. So if you have interest, contact us. This is for one of our viewers who order for it. This is locust beans, fresh locust beans, we mix with salt. So this guava and soursop leaf powder. If you have interest, contact us. So this is for one person too. So here we have dry okra. So I want to blend it into powder so that they can use it. So this is for one person too. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is what we are exporting for all these loadings going to abroad. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. Mwah.
Welcome to your home away from home. At Dearest Service Apartments, we bring you the perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Whether you are in town for business, pleasure, or a long-time stay, our fully furnished service apartments offer everything you need, like spacious living area, stylish interior, daily housekeeping, modern kitchens, high-speed Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, steady electricity, and a standby generator. Enjoy hotel-like services with the privacy and warmth of a real home. Our location is at number 1 Ayani Village, Mafoluku, Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria. Book your stay today and experience the comfort you deserve. Dearest Service Apartment is just 2 minutes away from Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Ikeja, Lagos. For bookings and reservation, contact us on 070-8416-1830 or +121 5626 8270. Dearest Service Apartments. Live better wherever you are.